Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome back to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you. And for those of you that are not subscribed, subscribe and join the fun. For our first craft, we are going to make a ribbon wreath. So you're going to need a wreath form, this burlap garden, some wide ribbon. I love this because of the little trucks. And some small ribbon, again, little trucks. And 6 pipe cleaners. The first thing you want to do is cut your pipe cleaners in half. So you have 12 pieces. And we are going to tie them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to tie one right here. I'm just going to twist it. Make sure they're tight on there. And one on the second ring. Actually, I want this one like that, and this one like this. And I might hot glue this just to stop them from sliding on me. So you're going to do that all around. And then you want to take your ribbon, I think I have one open, take all your wide ribbon and cut them to 7 inches long. And take your short ribbon and cut it to 6 inches. So 7 and 6, and leave this one alone. I forgot to mention, you only need 12 of each size. And to make it easy, just grab all 3 of them at the same time. And then I put the plaid on top, but that way I can look at my 7-inch mark and see there's a line, and I just cut it on the line. And when you're done cutting these, you want to dovetail all of them like this on each end. The next step is to take this wide burlap garland, and you just want to attach it to the to the third ring all around. So just grab a spot and twist it down. And then go on to the next one, and then leave like a little bit just so it kind of bunches up like that. We want to make our wreath look full. Go all around the outside. Actually, when you get to the outer, when you're doing the outer, you want to come back to where you started and tie that back down again. And then go up to the second ring tie and tie it down. Again, just leave a little poof. And when you go all around, you should end up back here. Next, you want to take 3 of the wide ribbon, and you just kind of like want to pinch it in the middle and start tying them on. Just straighten them out and do that all around. After all your wide ribbon is attached, we want to attach the smaller one. Again, just like we did with the wider one, try to rearrange your pattern. And then tie these tight, twist them tight. And then go all around, and then we'll embellish it. Okay, I just realized I wasn't recording, so all I did is I took a hacksaw and cut off the wire on this, and then I painted it black, and then I also put a coat of sealant, the Waverly sealant, just to protect it. And I took some pipe cleaners and a popsicle stick to attach it, and then I tied it on to the wreath. So I'm just going to finish gluing my pumpkins on, and then I'll hang it up. I really like making ribbon wreaths. I make a lot of wreaths, but this one is so easy. It's just time consuming to cut the ribbons, but it's very easy to make. I got to show you something that I bought at Walmart for $13. Check it out. $13. Isn't that cute? I got a little toolbox. The truck is resin, but the pumpkins, they're glued in, but they're styrofoam, so I can always tear it apart. The back of the truck does say like Happy Thanksgiving, so that's cute. I love it. $13, you can't go wrong. Okay, on to the next craft. For this craft, you want some paint sticks or the rulers. I am reusing this. Basically, all I did is cut them down and glued them all together. And some white paint. These sunflowers. Oh my goodness. When I sell these sunflowers, I just had to do this craft. An old jean pocket and these mums. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up for fall, and then I'm going to set it up for summer. So paint your board white. After it's dry, I'm going to take my bronze Sharpie, and where they are attached, you can see some lines. I am just going to trace over that line just to make it look like they're slats of wood. And then I'm going to give it a rough sand, very, very light sand. Before I glue my pocket on, I am going to put my hanger on here. So I'm just going to grab a piece of popsicle stick and my twine. And I want my pocket to be like right there. So I am going to take my tacky glue, and I'm not going to glue this part, just this part. I only want glue on this part. And I'm also going to take my hot glue and attach it with hot glue, just for my glue to dry. Got to work fast on this part. And I'm just going to let that dry, and in the meantime I am going to cut my flowers to where they'll fit in my pocket. How cute is that? But I got to put the sunflowers in. And here are the sunflowers. I am loving these Crafter Square sunflowers. They do have little wires on them, but they are perfect for card making and other crafts. Okay, on to the next project. For this craft, you want one of these thankful and blessed signs, chalk paint in mineral white and black, this check ribbon from the Dollar Tree for $1, and this ribbon as well, and these word signs. I'm probably going to use Harvest or Thankful, not sure which one yet. First thing you want to do is take your leaf and this raffia off, get rid of the glitter. You can use sandpaper, or you know me, I'm just going to tape it off, and take these out. And then paint it with mineral. So I'm going to take my black chalk paint, and I'm going to paint my thankful sign and the stem of my pumpkin black. When this is dry, I am going to put over a coat of sealant on there just so that it won't come off. Next, I'm just going to take my white paint, and I just kind of like want to dry brush the edges. And then I am going to go from like here, and just dry brush some of that white on, just to form like a circle like that. And same on this side. Okay, so I cut my ribbon about the width of this. Now this ribbon is really cheap. I noticed it frays, so I put some Mod Podge on there. Actually, I used the Waverly varnish. So you want to do that before you cut the dovetails. And I also took a piece of burlap, and I did the same thing, Mod Podge or varnish, And I am going to roll it up like this. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place, I'm going to make a bow. You guys know I'm really lousy at bows, so I'm just going to pinch them together. And now I'm going to hot glue my thankful sign down. I'm not going to hot glue it. I'm going to super glue it. And there's the finished project. I could have did a better job super gluing the thankful sign down and a better job on the bow. But until next time, thank you for watching and take care of one another.